Hey guys, Tony Maritato here, physical therapist. So I wanted to answer a question that came up in the total knee replacement support group. A patient had gone to see the physician at a 4-week follow-up, which actually ended up taking about 5 weeks. She wasn't satisfied with the range of motion she had gained thus far. The physician, the surgeon, told her that she only has about an 8-week window to continue to improve her range of motion from the date of surgery. And so her feeling was that regardless of what she had range of motion wise prior to surgery, regardless of what she has range of motion wise on the non-surgical leg, that she put in the time, the effort, the cost of getting a new knee replacement, she should get near full range of motion back. And so this brings up a lot of really interesting questions for me. The first one is both the physician, the surgeon in this case, and the physical therapist agreed this patient only had an 8-week window to regain full range of motion, or at least gain as much range as she was going to get. And I think that's silly. That's just crazy. That's like saying, you know, a gymnast can't improve range of motion around a joint, or that somebody who's never done yoga before can't improve range of motion as they practice yoga. Our bodies are amazingly dynamic. Now, is there a certain period of time during the healing process where range of motion might come a little more easily? Yeah, probably. But does that mean that for the rest of your life you're never going to gain range of motion? 100% not. We know from clinical studies we can bend bone at any stage in the life cycle if we do it gradually and consistently. So don't let anybody tell you that this is all you're gonna get when it comes to range of motion. Now, that being said, yes, you did get a brand new knee, but that knee also has limitations. And so the next question that you would need to ask your surgeon is, based on the implant, what is the functional full range of motion of the implant that was used? Because that's really what's going to tell you. You know, and you mentioned in the post 140 degrees. I don't know anybody who gets 140 degrees typically after a knee replacement, but certainly better than 120. You're doing really great. You're at 126 right now. So we're talking about, you know, maybe 130, 135. I'd say that's within the margin of error. I would say that even the best of us, me included, you know, I can't put too much stock in my ability to use a goniometer and measure joint range of motion that precisely. It's going to change with body position, it's going to change with body type, time of day, it's going to change with activity. There are so many things that are going to influence your range of motion when it comes to that little goniometer that I wouldn't put too much, you know, importance on the number. Look at the function. Can you do functionally everything you want to do? Can you get off the commode? Can you get in and out of your car? Can you go up and down stairs? Like, those are the things that we're looking at that are going to give us the best indicator of whether you need more range of motion than you have. So I hope that answers your question. There are no absolutes, although I guess that's an absolute, within the world of healthcare. And just because somebody had an opinion doesn't mean that they're right. It doesn't mean that they're wrong. I'm just saying that there's a lot less we actually know than what we do know. So keep posting your questions. I'll share this video. I hope this answers a little bit of your question, and never give up. That's what it comes down to. Never get up. Give up. Slow and steady wins the race every single time. Thanks guys. I'll catch you in the next video.